welcome back to my channel. It's Brit Shanae, and today, guys, I have a cute little video. It's an unboxing video. So I got some new hair because y'all know, like, I don't have hair. And so I'm excited because I got some new hair, in which I want to get a wig made because I want to kind of start giving my hair a break. I bleach it about every 6 weeks. 6 to 8 weeks, give or take. Like now I haven't bleached it in like, I think going on 2 months. But yeah, so it's been about 8 weeks, I think. But I'm trying to give my hair a break because, you know, sometimes the blonde is damaging sometimes. And I don't want to damage my hair. That's not my goal. So I think I'm going to, I'm going to get a wig made with this hair. And I'm going to just give my hair a little, like, you know, a little cute period to not be touched. So guys, today the hair that I have for you is her flawless hair. So this is a local DMV vendor. I found her on Instagram. Why do I sound so breathy? Do I hear me? I feel like I'm breathing like as I talk. Anyway, because I really think I'm as I'm talking. The girl's out of shape. Anyway, so yes, her flawless hair is this hair vendor. Again, she's located in the DMV. Specifically, I believe she's located in Maryland, in which I live in as well. And so I first initially found her because I was searching on Instagram. I knew I wanted hair, and I was searching for first I was looking on like AliExpress and stuff for a vendor on there. But I was seeing so many YouTube reviews where people would do sponsored videos, but then people in the comments would be like, no, this hair is trash. Like, it's only good for you. You know, when we buy with our own money, it's not good. And believe me, I do not want to spend my own money and the hair is trash because I would be pissed.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So, I started to look at just vendors that are local to me, and I found her flawless hair on Instagram, and I was pressed from day one. So yes, guys, I'm so excited to show you guys this hair. I feel as though many of you probably haven't heard of this hair company, so I'm glad to give her the exposure and, you know, to just get her name out there. So if you're interested in seeing this, her flawless hair, then stay tuned. All right, y'all, so don't judge me because I already unboxed this hair. Like, I was pressed when I got it in the mail, so I took everything out because I just wanted to see the hair. I haven't had hair in such a long time that I was like a kid in a candy store when this hair came. Like, I was pressed, taking out the package, like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, looking at everything. So the things are out the packages, but I still will show you the packaging it came in. So the hair came in this cute white bag, guys, and then she just sent these 3 different pamphlets. Also, it came with the receipt, which is somewhere else around here. Okay, so guys, again, remember I said that I was, you know, just interested in playing with this hair because I was like super hype. So one of the hair is, I did wet it a little bit. I'm actually going to wet it for you guys so you can see how the hair curls up. And I also did cut one of the wefts open just so I could see how the weft looks fall out instead of being, you know, in the band. So I will show you both of those. Here, I got the Brazilian curly hair. It's called the Fantasy Curl. And I got 4 bundles, so a 4-bundle deal with the lace closure. I got the inches 20, 22, 24, and 26. And I got an 18-inch 5x5 lace closure. So I'm going to show you guys the hair. So these are the 4 bundles together. So cute, so bouncy. So this is the closure, guys. As you can see, it comes with baby hairs on the top and the wave pattern, or the curl pattern, I'm sorry, is exactly identical to the bundles. Here are the bundles. As you can see, the hair is so, I'm looking to make sure you guys can see it well. The hair is so cute. It's so curly. It's so soft, guys. Like pillow soft. Like, I mean, clouds. First of all, I know it doesn't look great with my hair, but it's so soft and it's so pretty. I'm really excited, honestly, because I've never had Brazilian curly hair. I've never had curly hair in general, other than when I used to get it from the beauty supply store, you know, the little bush, the curly hair. But I've never had Brazilian curly hair, so I'm very excited. The wefts definitely, the bundles definitely seem true to length, especially, you know, it's curled, so it's not going to be, it's exact length right now, but if you, you know, stretch it out, it's long. Like, they're long. It's down. It's down there. And I love when it's down there. I'm so excited. I'm just hyped, honestly, because I'm not going to lie. Yesterday, I was like this in the mirror. I was really trying to see how it's going to look with me because I'm so excited to have hair. The other hair I have, I'm not feeling it. I cannot wear it anymore. Actually, to be completely honest, I tried to film this video yesterday. And I wore that wig because I just wanted to put my wig on. Honestly, I've been stuck in the house. I just wanted to put my wig on. I tried to film the video with my wig on, and guess what? I filmed the whole video twice. And the hair looked crazy. It kept just, I straightened it nicely, but it kept like frizzing and puffing. I couldn't do it. Okay, so this is the 20-inch, guys. And I'm going to just stretch it out so you can see how long it is. So this is the 20-inch. So a pretty decent bundle. Not too short. Not the longest I've ever seen, but it's actually a good amount. And I had 4 bundles, so I'm not worried at all about having enough hair. I did at first. I was a little scared because when I had first opened the package, I was like, is this enough hair? Because it doesn't honestly look like that much hair on the bundles for me. Like, I don't know. I haven't cut all of them open, so I'm not sure. It's more than enough bundles. I already know that really deep down inside, but I'm just, you know, I'm always nervous about that if I haven't like an adequate amount of hair. But it's curly hair. I also heard from somebody, they said that sometimes it doesn't look like it's going to be enough, but curly hair like expands and stuff and it's big once you put it in. So I know I'm going to have more than enough hair. Like, regarding the smell of the hair, I smelled it and it's like, it smells good to me. Like, it really smells like you freshly washed your hair, and it just, you have like that leftover smell of like conditioner and stuff in your hair. Now, I'm not sure if she washes the hair. I doubt she washes the hair, but that's how this hair smells. Like, it does not stink at all. Okay, guys, so I went and I wet the hair, and this is how the hair looks like when it's wet. I put it under the sink so you can see that the hair is super curly. I'm going to put the comb through it, and as you can see, it snagged a tiny bit at the bottom. And after that, y'all, it's going through like butter. Do you see that? And there's no hair in this comb. None. None. I can say that yesterday when I combed this hair, I believe I got 3 strands of hair, which 3 strands of hair is nothing. That is nothing, y'all. I promise you when I say I've had hair where it was like 20 strands. 20. I don't have time for that. I'm so, like, look at how pretty that. Do y'all see that? Look at the ends. Clean. 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 Mean machine. I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited. I know y'all see the blonde and it's hard to decipher, you know, to look at the blonde and the black or the brown. But you know what? This is going to be a look. It's going to be a look. I can feel it. Even if I'm in the... Prayerfully, we are out of the house sooner than later with this stuff going on in the world. But even if I'm not, this wig is going to get made and I'm going to put it on my head. I can't wait. Oh, also, guys, so this hair comes in like a natural dark brown. All the hair actually is the same color. It's not like one bundle is lighter than the other. They all came in a natural dark brown color. And yeah, guys, so let me just run down some of the background information. So I ordered this hair on March 25th. It was shipped out on March 31st, I believe. And I received it on April 2nd. So I think it was a span of like 8 days, the whole process, which is super great. I know that when I first had initially looked into getting the hair, I had DM'd the owner, who is in charge, I guess, of the page Shop Her Flawless Hair on Instagram. And I just DM'd her and I was inquiring about if she thought I should get 3 bundles or 4 bundles, with the closure, and she had just mentioned, she got back to me really quick, and she had just mentioned, you know, both would be fine, but if you want a fuller look, then she would suggest 4 bundles. At that point, I had already bought the 4 bundle deal and closure because I was so excited to get some hair. Yeah, she had free shipping, and it was, you know, I was like, you know, for me to not miss out on this deal, I would like to, you know, get the hair right now. So she has sent me a video that's actually on her page, and it's just of you know, washing your hair and the products to use in it. So which I thought was really sweet because, you know, she didn't have to send me a video of, you know, taking care of your hair. I feel like that is just good customer service, and that shows that you like to take care of your customers and make sure they're good and knowledgeable about things. So I appreciated the video. You know, I'm big on like service, and if you know, offer good customer service to me, I'm very appreciative. And for me, that's a way that you'll get a returning customer in me. Like, I will come back to your business if I get good customer service and if the product is good, you know. So pricing, which is so important. Like, most people want to know that first, and I should have mentioned that first, but I don't know why I didn't, so whatever. But pricing, I got the 4 bundle deal, which came with a closure, which I opted to get a closure. You can also opt to not get a closure. This 4 bundle deal, with me getting 20-inch, 22, 24, and 26-inch and a lace closure, came to $425. I also did get a coupon code, which was $10 off because I was a first-time customer. And so that brought my total down to $415. And I'm going to actually hit up the person to get this wig made as soon as possible. I've been looking for a person to make this wig because I cannot make. I tried one time and I just wasn't successful in that attempt. I never tried again. However, because I actually care about how this would look, I'm not going to try it. I'm going to pay somebody to make my wig. So I've been looking on Instagram for people who can make good wigs. Also, I want my closure to be like an illusion frontal, I think is what people call it. So I wanted to like be the illusion of a frontal, but it's actually a closure. And so I've been looking at people who are good at that in the DMV area, actually just in Maryland. So yes, I'm excited about that. Hopefully I'll have this wig made sooner than later. Hopefully in the next few weeks, actually, it will be made. So I will come back to show you guys the final product when it's in and let you know how the hair is doing, like an initial review. But yes, this was just an unboxing to show you guys the new product and to show you guys what I thought about it. All of her flawless hair information will be in the description box below. And guys, let me know what type of content you want to see next. If you want to see chit chats, because you know I like to talk. And with everything going on, like, you know, we're cooped up in the house, just want to get chat. I like to talk. You know, you guys are my listening ear. I appreciate that. Let me know what topics you would like me to discuss, or just different content that you would like to see from me. Also, guys, I hope you're staying safe. I hope you and your loved ones and friends are safe and healthy. If not, I'm praying for everybody out there just to be in good health, and make sure you wash your hands, guys. Make sure you stay in the house. You know, I hope you guys are keeping a positive mindset and just keeping, you know, staying positive and thinking, you know, we will overcome this. We will overcome this, and this too shall pass. So I pray that you guys will just, you know, again, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you later, guys. Bye.